Happy week 13, Foothills CC. We've got 5 to cover this week. We have math, Latin, science, English, and history. So let's get started. So the first one is going to be English, and it's to beat. It goes along with the previous 2 weeks. It's in a long song that you can look at, but it's kind of in this triad of progressions. So we'll start off with to set, move to sit, and then to beat, okay? To set, setting, set. To sit, sat, sitting, sat. To beat, beats, beating, beaten. To beat, beats, beating, beaten. And then next week will be to break. Then we have math, liquid equivalents. This goes to the head bones connected to the neck bone song. I don't know what that actual name of that song is. 8 fluid ounces equals 1 cup. 2 cups equals 1 pint. 2 pints equals 1 quart. 4 quarts equals 1 gallon. For Latin, we have, we're continuing our song that we're learning in morning assembly, and now we're starting to add the English to it. So this is the second and third sentence of John 1:1. Et verbum erat apud Deum, et Deus erat verbum. And the Word was with God, and the Word was God. So that goes, I have to think of the song because it's starting in the middle of it. In principio erat verbum, et verbum erat apud Deum, and the Word was with God, et Deus erat verbum, and the Word was God. Then we have science, and this is kind of a long sentence, so I thought maybe a song would be helpful, but we can also, I was looking on YouTube and looking at some different ideas, but the children can use their palm and think of we have the nucleus of the atom, we have the protons and neutrons, and then the electrons, and then the fingers could be the electron cloud if you go into that, but electrons. So what is the atomic number? The atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom, which is also the number of electrons in a neutral atom. So nice and slow, pretty simple. Then we have history. Tell me about the 14th Amendment. So in 1868, that's going to be your middle finger coming down to your thumb for the number 8. The 14th Amendment, we're going to turn our hand back to ourselves, show 4, and then wave back. The 14th Amendment made all former slaves, they could do the word for all if they have time, all former slaves, U.S. citizens. We're just going to use the sign for the United States, that melting pot. And paved, so we're going to take our the side of our hand to the heel of our opposite hand and pave the way for the civil rights movement. So we're going to take pinky fingers up, cross our chest, civil rights movement. Okay, so civil rights movement. Okay, in 1868, the 14th Amendment made all former slaves U.S. citizens and paved the way for the civil rights movement, the civil rights movement. All right, I think I covered it all. I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you soon.